it, so let's put it up. Watch Lizzie. He's light, but he's not good. He likes it because Lizzie's a cold-blooded. He really likes when he's underwater. Watch it go. That's perfect, Lizzie, so he doesn't drown. Now a little bit hot water. That'll be perfect. Perfect. There's Lizzie. Watch Lizzie go in his dirty face to the bath. I always put soap in it, but he doesn't be so bad. So watch him take a bath. Sorry there. You can't really see him, but I'll show you later. Bye.